Hey and what's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your username to whatever username you want to you like. So basically you have downloaded TikTok and you got a randomly username. So now you want to change that random username to a rare username or whatever username you want to use. So basically it's quick and simple to do. So now go to TikTok app first, let it open, and then go to your profile option and then click on the three dot button. Now click on edit profile option, and now you can see there is an option called username. Now tap on it, and now just choose whatever username you want to use. So basically I'm just writing here this LCODFLM, and now just click on that button, and then just save it, and now click on set username, and then the username will be saved. So thank you so much.